Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Suprajit Jain. I'm in Coorg, the Scotland of India, ending the 2020 with a very positive vibes.
This is the independent cottage bungalow and my home for the next few days. Do have a look of this lavish bungalow. This place is suitable for family gatherings, parties, vibes, refreshing. Of course, work from home in this pandemic. Imagine we are just 5 and this space is so huge. And it is located in the heart of the city. And that is the advantage that you don't even feel. And I will be giving all the details in the description below. Please do check it out. So this is the amazing view from the balcony and it's worth for the stay. Next day we started early in the morning. We wanted to witness a sunrise in one of the famous place called Mandalpatti, which got famous because of one of the movies from Kannada called Galipata. We have booked the jeep because we can't take the car to the peak of the mountain and it's very jumpy ride. Bikers are allowed to take their bike to the peak. The best time to visit this place is just after the rainy season, I believe. And the weather is quite good here. It's so breezy, cold wind. But I wanted to witness a lavish greenery around. I still remember when I had visited the last time, I even couldn't make it to the peak because it was raining heavily that time and it was so foggy. We had come by bike, so we couldn't even make it to the halfway. I know 2020 was very harsh and it was very unexpected, but we have survived it. It's time for the celebration.
Happy New Year! Very good morning guys, new year, new day, new hope. Wishing you all very happy new year 2021. Let's keep the spirit up and I wish you everyone full of happiness and wealth and health. Be safe. Until next time, see you, take care, bye bye.